Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to create a login, create an account with Remind. The Remind app is a great group texting tool. If you're trying to send group texts where you don't have to, you don't want the whole group to see the numbers, or maybe you don't want them to see all the replies when they reply, and you don't want them to have to download an app like GroupMe. This is the best solution that I've found. It's the Remind app. So just search Remind in your app store, works on iPhone or Android, and then you're going to sign up, okay? It says login or sign up. So if you haven't ever logged in, you just put in whatever email address you want to use. If you have, it'll recognize your email address. Click continue. Now it's going to email you a 4-digit code, okay? So you need to slide over to your emails, which for me are on Outlook. And just go to your inbox. Here we go. Confirm your email. Verify and continue. Now we're ready to go. Okay, now I'm going to create my own password. Accept their agreement. Are you a student, a parent, a teacher, an admin? I would say that you're either a teacher or an admin so that you have more control over the group. This is designed for schools and teams, but I use it for other stuff. Put your name in, class name, family, group, text, whatever you want to name it, your class, that would just be the name of your group. You can skip the school option. All right, let's get started. Skip all this. You can play around with that later. I just want you to see how to create a login, okay? So that is how you create a login for Remind to send group text. If you want to see more tutorials on Remind, check out the playlist that's in this video. Have a great day.